Hi friends, so today is a very early morning. You can probably tell that I am not well rested, but I'm going to do some yoga and I have 5 different pairs of HALARA pants and I want you to let me know which one your favorite is, and together we're going to decide what I'm going to wear for the rest of the day. So as usual, thank you so much to HALARA for sending me these. I will have my discount code on the screen and linked down below with all of the links and sizing information for all of the pieces. Those will also be flashed on screen as we go. Trying everything on with the same top so you can see the rise of the pants and how it fits along with the bottom of this top. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, let me introduce this top. I've been wearing this a ton and I love it. It's a little bit more of a racer front, high neck top, and the back is completely open. I think it's so pretty. It's very, very comfortable. It has padding in there and I don't feel like anything's gonna fall out. I feel very comfortable in it. I like that the back is open because it breathes really nicely. I'm a big fan. So, first pair of pants are these purple pants. These have a cross waistband up here at the top, as well as some nice deep pockets on both sides. I love this purple color. I do have to say, because I am bloated right now, these are not my favorite just because they're not really hiding the things that I want to hide. But that being said, I think these are so cute. I love this color so much and they are so soft. Like every single pair of HALARA pants that I have, they're super, super comfortable. They're not see-through even in the slightest bit, which I really appreciate. And I just think they're super pretty. So as you can see, these fit me really, really well. Sizing on these was perfect. I'm obsessed, but I don't think they're the right ones for today. Let's try the next pair on. Then we have this pair. These are a lot more compressive. They feel super, super soft yet again. These are high-waisted. They do not have a crossband in the front. And then they also do have some deep side pockets as well. Length on these is a tiny bit on the short side for me, but I actually really appreciate that because then when I'm wearing tennis shoes and stuff, they're not going into the shoe at all. So I really like these. They're a little bit thicker than the purple ones. So they're probably gonna be better for outdoor cold weather workouts. And I'm always cold. So these are gonna be a pair that I wear all the time just around the house. I really, really like these. I really like how they feel around my waist. I feel like they're doing my body some good. And I really like the fabric. These might be a strong contender for today, so let me know what you think. Let's try on the next pair. Okay, then we have this brown pair, full transparency. I've been wearing these a ton. I love them. I've been obsessed with the brown color recently. I feel like everybody has. It's been quite a trend this year, and I think this one is just perfect. It's nice, cool tone, almost like a grayish brown. So I feel like it looks really good with most of the fall tones. And going into winter, I think it's gonna look beautiful as well. These are very similar to the purple. They have a crossband, high-waisted waistband up here. And then they also have the deep pockets. I think these are super, super comfortable. I love the silky material of them. And I think the length on these is really nice as well. These are definitely longer than the black ones are, but they're still a really great length. I think HALARA does a really good job of getting the length right. I really like these. They aren't the most compressive, so today, these may not be my choice, but usually when I'm just lounging around the house or going to work at a coffee shop, these are my choice. So let me know what you think about these, but these are definitely some of my favorites. We're rounding this out with 2 different pairs of joggers. First, we have these blue ones. And these are so soft, y'all. They are like the most breathable joggers ever. I love them. I do have, I think, 2 other pairs of HALARA joggers that I've gotten in the past, and I love them. I wear them all the time. These are such a pretty blue color. I love this like teal blue. It's so pretty. The top of these is super, super stretchy, which I really appreciate. It's very comfortable. And these also do have pretty deep pockets in the front. They are true jogger style where they're tight at the bottom and I really, really like how they breathe. I think they fit well. They're a little bit tight around my thighs, but not in an uncomfortable or unflattering way. And then they're just nice and baggy everywhere else. I really, really like these. I've been wearing them a ton, and I think I'm gonna get them in a few other colors as well. So, strong contender for today, because these are comfy. Okay, we are finishing strong with the last pair of pants and my favorite pair of pants that I got in this HALARA haul, and that is this beautiful pair of cargo joggers. So these do have regular pockets in the front, and then they also do have the traditional cargo pant pocket down there. These are very similar material to the blue. They're not quite as stretchy, but they do have an elastic waistband. No, they have a drawstring waistband, and they are so comfortable. I've worn these so much ever since I got them, and I love them. They're super, super comfortable. I feel like they're pretty decently flattering as well. I love this dark green color. I feel like it's just very Kim Possible, and I love it. I'm so here for it. I feel like these are perfect for running errands, getting a lot of things done, even traveling. I feel like these would be really great pants for that. I will say these are probably not the best for yoga for me, just because I feel like they're not quite as stretchy as leggings or even those blue joggers are. So I think for today, these are probably not gonna be what I pick, but I do have to say I've been wearing these so much. Everyone in my life is like, where did you get them? And I get to say, HALARA, use my code. And for you, the link is down below. Now it's time. Cast your votes. What do you think? I think I'm debating between the blue joggers and the black leggings. I think I'm gonna go with the black leggings. And I do have one more HALARA sports bra that I wanna show you, so I'm gonna put that on with those leggings, and that will be my outfit for today. Okay, so this is my look for the day. I decided to put on the other sports bra that I got from this haul. I've been loving this one so much. It's probably one of my new favorites. It has a nice ruched detail here in the front, and then some very fun strappy details in the back. I love this color too. I think this almost like sage green is so pretty, and I think this sports bra is perfect for me. It has some support. It's definitely on the lower side of support, so it's probably not gonna be for like running or HIIT or anything super intense, but I don't really do that kind of exercise anyways, so I think this is perfect for me. It's very, very comfortable. I feel like it's decently flattering, and I think this outfit is gonna be my choice for the day. So if you want to try any of these HALARA pieces, everything will be linked down below as well. Thank you so much again to HALARA for sending me these pieces. I love them so much, and I really hope that all of you did too. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye.